Hey folks, we're here in the Rufus Palm Jungle. This is Florida. We're so fortunate that we can have palms. So if you're new or old to the area, plant some palms. They're great plants. This is Rufus excelsa, probably one of the most elegant palms that we have in our area to grow. They're slow growing, they're exotic, they're a natural shade plant, so they make a great plant for the porch area where you've got shade, and even a wonderful indoor plant. Kind of stocky, multi-trunk. They're kind of, you'll see several heads on them there. They're really a great plant from China originally. There's some other varieties. There's a variegated form of this. There's a humus, which gets even taller, a little bit different leaf, light green, and there's also a dwarf form of Rufus. But Rufus excelsa, also commonly called the ladyfinger palm, is a great palm, actually quite cold hardy. I was surprised back in the 80s. I had a couple of hedges of these in my yard. We got down to 17 degrees, killed all my citrus. The Rufus palms still lived and are still there today. So definitely cold hardy to 17 degrees, which is way colder than our area normally gets. So try some of these for nice, elegant looking palms for the shady part of your yard or your house. Rufus excelsa. Enjoy. Thanks folks. Jim Hunter with your short and sweet tip of the day.